Hi, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I am going to show you the work from home jobs or else the online tutor or teacher jobs. So if you are any graduation or else if you are any post graduation, whatever your specialization it might be, you can apply for this post guys. That means here the opportunities are there and the salary is up to 4 lakh rupees per annum you are going to get, and really it is a very good news to all the job seekers guys. Okay, so let us see the details regarding this complete thing. So before going into the main content of this video, here one announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the UGC December 2020 cycle exam, so from April 7th onwards, the revision through the previous year questions for the paper 1 as well as the electronic science. Okay, so utilize this opportunity guys, and the details regarding this one I kept at the end of this video, and the links I kept in the description box of this video. Coming to the present content of the video, it is Evelyn Learning. Okay, it is official website of this one guys. Okay, so after entering into this website, you will find out here the careers is there. So click on that one, then you will be directed to the requirement from this Evelyn guys. So really a lot of opportunities are there. So please go through all these things very carefully up to the end of this video guys. And here total 18 number of current openings are there. Okay, we will see one by one. Okay, so first one is academic content writer, mathematics contractual. Okay, and here 0 to 3 years experience is required, and 1 lakh to 2 lakh rupees per annum you will get. It is really a very good part-time opportunity guys. And content must be 100% error free. Candidate must have the laptop or system with broadband connection. Candidate should be well versed with computer, MS Office, Word, Excel, etc. Candidate must be aware of plagiarism and must possess good writing skills and good knowledge of the subject. Next one is a part-time academic writer mathematics. So 0 to 5 years of experience, 1 lakh to 6 lakh rupees you will get up to, and the candidate must have the laptop or system with broadband connection. Next one is academic content writer physics work from home. So 1 lakh 25 to 3 lakh rupees per annum, 0 to 3 years. The responsibilities primary content development work will be of well explained solution. Next one is academic content writer mathematics day shift work from home, 2 lakh rupees to 3 lakh rupees per annum, 0 to 3 years of experience. And coming to the psychology academic content writer work from home, 1 lakh 75,000 to 2 lakh 50,000 rupees per annum, and the good knowledge in the statistics must be there. Next one is subject matter expert statistics academic content rational shift, so 2 lakhs to 3 lakh 25 rupees per annum, and the roles and responsibilities are same as the above explained. That means well explained solution must be produced. And next one is trainer for biology and chemistry day shift or full time. So 0 to 2 years of experience, 2 lakhs to 3 lakh rupees per annum is required. They will pay, and you should take both online as well as offline for in-house candidates and part-time candidates. Graduate or postgraduate in biology or chemistry, and candidates must have the laptop or system with broadband connectivity, preferably from teaching background. Next one is copy editor academic content full-time day shift, 1 lakh 75 to 2 lakh 75,000 rupees per annum. So good concentration to focus on text may be lengthy or dull qualification and experience. Okay, so here the copy editor is there. Next one is quality analyst chemistry work from home, 1 to 4 years of experience, 2 lakh to 3 lakh per annum. So candidate should possess the strong analytical skills to research extensively. Next one is economics quality analyst work from home, so 2 lakh 50,000 rupees or else more than 3 lakh rupees per annum you will get. And check for the content of for accuracy, language, plagiarism, explanation related parameters, maintaining the 100% accuracy. Okay, so and coming to the second page vacancies. So here, yeah, from 11 to 18. The first one is a business management academic content. So 2 lakh 50,000 to and more than 3 lakh also you will get guys. So candidate must possess strong analytical skills to research extensively. Next one is statistics quality analyst academic content work from home. So more than 3 lakhs. Candidate should possess the strong analytical skills to research extensively. And mathematics quality reviewer. Next one is CFA or CMA finance specialist, and the amount is not disclosed. So the primary content development work will be well explained solutions in step-by-step manner. Next one is team leader biology full time, so nearly 4 lakh rupees per annum, and collaborating with the team to develop modules for the project requirement and analyzing the feedback. Requirement of the project qualification required. In qualification required is PhD or MTech or MS in life science, biochemistry, biotechnology, microbiology, nursing experience, or nursing experience. Next, online tutor content analysis, day shift full time. So 2 lakhs to 3 lakh 25 rupees per annum. So you will be required to coordinate with the vendors, freelancers, and house team members to ensure quality and timely submission of all deliverables. Okay, and next, academic content writer, reviewer, health or nutrition, 1 lakh 50. So more than 3 lakhs also you will get good knowledge in the statistics. Next one is mathematics academic content writer. So 2 lakh to 3 lakh 75,000 rupees per annum. So primary content development work will be well explained solutions. Fine. So total, these are the different number of current openings from the Evelyn Learning. So the candidates who are looking for the job in this pandemic situation for the part-time, okay, so it will really work out to you guys, and please once go through this one. Fine. So here the contact us is also there. So if you are having any queries, okay, then go to the contact us block, and here the form also you can fill up guys. Okay, and the location is in US as well as in the New Delhi in India, and the contact number is also given. Okay, I think it is a abroad contact number, and here the mail ID is also given here. So if you are having any queries, then you may just put up your query here guys. And out of this 18 current openings, if you are interested in any one of the current opening, then here drop your CV here. So just click on this one, then you will be directed to the next web page. Okay, so where it will show you to fill up the details guys. So submit your profile, name, email, mobile number, current location and experience. Okay, and attach your resume and click on the submit button. Fine. So it is a thing that you have to do guys. So wonderful opportunity, please utilize, and please share this video to your friends or colleagues. Okay, so it will be really helpful to you. And for more such type of notifications, please subscribe my channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video, I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide